Hello and welcome to this latest video all around the Wave.live video software. My name's Anita Wong and I'm a digital visibility strategist, and I help you to use the tools at your fingertips to get the visibility you deserve with confidence and by ditching the overwhelm. This video is part of a series of videos that I'm doing around the new Wave.video live software. If you haven't got Wave.video, there'll be a link under this video that you can sign up and try it for free, and I'll go through the pricing of that in a moment. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, then there'll be a link to them underneath this video. And if the next video is not out, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when that video comes up and goes live. So I'm going to jump straight into the studio where I left off. Just a reminder, the pricing of the Wave.video live streaming incorporates their video editor, their hosting, and the live streaming tool. You can start for free and you can go up to creator and business, and depending on what level you're at will depend on the features that you get access to. Inside the Wave.video live editor, I am inside the editor now. I'm just going to switch this scene over. In this video, I want to go over the media options here on the right and how you utilize those. So here inside the editor, I already have an background on, and I also have an overlay on. If I wanted to add a video to my scene, I could do one of two things. I can just click on the video in question. So let me just grab a video, maybe this one. And you can see how it played that video, but it muted my video while it was on. Now, that's one way of doing it, is just to place that over the top of you. But the snazzy way of doing it is to actually create a scene and place that video in the scene. That way, the video won't play until you are activated the scene. So in order to do that, we come over here and we press plus, and we come down and we edit the scene down the bottom. We then add this video to the scene. And as you can see, it says this video will play once this scene becomes active. Now, I am not playing this scene because it's not red. I'm up here in this scene at the moment. I'm just setting up the scenes ready to go. So if I just switch to this scene so you can see, this is the scene that I'm on now, but I've set up this scene down the bottom. In order to make this scene work, all I need to do is click switch to this scene. Switch back, and it stops that video from playing, and we're all ready to roll. So that's how I would use the video option inside the scenes to help you actually make the most of adding video. Now, you can use that video style for videos to introduce your live stream and videos to exit your live stream. And depending on your plan will depend on what you have access to. There are some default media, like I showed you here, that you can use. So you can use these default backgrounds, or you can upload your own default background. And that's where it becomes really, really cool, because when you have Wave.video live, you also have access to the Wave.video editing studio, where you can create these backgrounds for you and send them into the studio. And I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. So stay tuned to watch that little trick. Overlays, again, the same. You can add a different overlay by just clicking the overlay that you want to take. So let's do this one. And we want, say, like, we could have this one. So you choose which overlay you want to use. And also, if you want to create an overlay, you can also do that in the live video editor as well and send it to the studio to use. Videos like I've just showed you, we can start again inside or create a scene for it. I recommend that you create scenes for these things so that it makes it easier for you to juggle where everything is inside of your editor. Another thing I wanted to introduce you to is these cool sounds. So if you are doing your live stream and you want to evoke some emotion from people, you can just click on here. So you can have whatever you want and use those how you want throughout your live stream. There's also this great background audio as well. Okay, so how do you get the videos that you create inside your editor into your live stream. So what you do is you open up your videos in your project. So this is my projects. So these are the videos that I've already created that I could use in my live video. So say like if I wanted to use one of these, so I'd go into the actual one that I want to use, and then I would come up here and click the three dots. And as you can see, it says send to live studio. So if I click send to live studio, it asks you what brand it's with. So it's with the brand that I was in just now. So that's this one. It asks you whether you want to send that video as a background video, an overlay, or a video. So I'm going to just say it's a video for now, and I'm going to say saved brand. That's going to automatically save that to my studio. So I'm going to come back to my studio. Now, I haven't gone live yet, and I haven't pressed the record button yet. But what I've done is I've sent that video to my live video. And there you can see it showed up there. If you don't see it there, then you can actually just refresh the page, and it should take you back to the studio you were in, and everything that you've just done, all the overlays and scenes you created, will still be there. Okay, so it's not like when you do this and they disappear, it's in that studio, so you have it there and it's all ready. So then if I go to media and I scroll down, you can see that that video is there, but it actually just showed up without me having to refresh it. So just in case you don't see it, you can actually just refresh it. Now, that's how you utilize all of those things. So how do you go live? So I showed you in the previous videos how to set up, how to go in on the record only option, how to go live straight away. So this is set up to go live into my Facebook group. So all you have to do to go live, once you're happy with everything is set up, is to actually click that button. So I'm going to show you what happens when you go live in the next video. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found that useful about using the sounds, how to take a video from in your studio, in your editor, and pull it into your studio, and then all those other features on the right-hand side. Don't forget to, if you have any questions, to drop them in the comments below this video, and I will see you in the next video.